Hey dental practice owner, this is Nick here. Welcome to the series of videos designed to help you enhance various aspects of your dental practice. Today, let's talk about most often ignored aspect, which is phone skills. Think about it. Why is it that for assistants, hygienists, dentists, credentialing, licensing, education is required, but when it comes to front desk, GED, high school education, or no prior dental experience is good enough while hiring? Here's a stat for you. 51% of customers won't walk into your office if their phone experience wasn't up to par. Phone skills goes beyond picking up the phone quickly and not putting on hold. It's about using the right verbiage, asking the question in the right order, matching the tone of the person on the other side, and much more. Do not let your marketing dollars go to waste. Invest in phone skill and boost your word of mouth, referrals, and retain patients. For more in-depth video and helpful tips like this, hit the follow button. I'll be dropping a long video including all the skills necessary for the front desk and the phone skills. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.